Really is what I would love to wear every day. I would wear it with a gown, I would wear it with a sari, I would just wear a beautiful pair of earrings with jeans and a shirt. I really do feel like Audrey Hepburn or, you know, some classy kind of beauty when I wear these two of this.
What would it be actually and why?
That is a very mean question, but I will choose. I will go with this one because this is very special. It's Mantika, it's very authentic, and you won't get it anywhere.
Yeah, because you've been offered a item and you refused Sajid Khan.
Yeah. In fact, I was offered one in Houseful 1, then Houseful 2, and then there were a couple more offers. But I don't think I can do justice to an item number. Trust me, you wouldn't like to see me like that.
Franco Ikani.
I think like the concept, it's like we had white and complementing with gold and emeralds and diamonds and pearls. I guess we all looked so ethereal and it was so pure, and the concept was mermaids, so I guess we all look like a dream.
Yeah, it's good. It's always an experience, and it's always a pleasure to work with great designers. Today I'm working for Sangam Jewelry, so it's really a privilege for me.
I was here last year too. Okay. This year, this is the first day and the madness has begun. It's a lot of fun, it's a lot of excitement and a bit of anxiety because my show's going to start. So as usual, there's some butterflies. So many years but the butterflies still come. I think it's a good sign. I'm always excited. I'm excited in life first day, but yeah, I'm happy to do what I love doing. Let's put it this way.
And this is not my first experience now. I just finished doing Bangalore Fashion Week in Bangalore, which was pretty good. It was for a Gen X designer, Jose Parvez. I was a showstopper for him. And I must tell you that I always, people say models can't act. I really wanted to see whether actors can walk or not. And it's a great experience, and I'm really, especially the women. I think this is the deal for them.
Her jewelry has lots of pearls and Tahiti pearls, basically, and coral and all gems and stones and all. So keeping that in mind, we took the color like ivory, which is pearls, and the dusty pink color goes with all the gemstones and everything, plus the diamonds and gold and everything. So we did like off-white range of off-white colors as gowns, short dresses, skirts and lehengas. So it covers all the occasion at the same time. You can wear it for the Indian functions also for jewelry. You can wear it for the red carpet look also. You can wear it for the cocktail parties also. For youngsters to the elders, everybody was included. So keeping everything in mind, that the jewelry is for all the generation. The collection was accordingly, so all the generation can wear it accordingly.
And needless to say that I always wear Amrapali. Because the reason is I am very fond of silver jewelry, ethnic jewelry, even gold jewelry, but ethnic, from the Toda jewelries. And what I like, their collection of silver plated gold, which is fantastic. My fingers will never be without, such kind of a big rings, especially the silver rings, and this one especially what I'm wearing. So the rings are there, and my jhumkas, which always I wear. And the longer I like, and they keep on making them more longer, And of course the neck piece, which is this is Lord Ganesha, and they've got these stones, and then everybody has put in their own skill and their experience, and it's nice to see how they're developing, how they are trying to reach out to women, which is very good.
I founded myself 6 years ago, and I've been doing something on a yearly, annual basis. We have 2 daughters. We're very happy. We don't miss a son. It is a good feeling, and you feel nice because you have so many people, so many celebrities supporting your cause. So it's sort of getting bigger and bigger every year. So it feels very nice.
I think IIJW is a fantastic concept. It's, we are so big in jewelry. We need to tell more, and it's a lovely platform to project us.
For a long while since the time they started, and PT being one of their more nobler initiatives, very, very proud and happy to be part of this. And as far as walking the ramp is concerned, this is the first time I've walked with my daughter, and I'm very happy and excited because she was extremely good on stage. And but it's nice. It's good to be part of it.
Absolutely, I thought it was such a wonderful daddy-baby moment. I was really proud of them.
Very elegant, very delicate, and it's something which the youngsters would really wear. Forget the youngsters also, even like someone above 45, 50. It's a very daily casual wear kind of jewelry apart from the bigger pieces which came in later. The show went off well, it was a smooth ending, so at the end of the day we put up a good show.